Vantru N2X 2.7K Uber Dash Cam Review. Dual lens excellence for rideshare drivers and everyday use. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're taking an in-depth look at the Vantru N2X 2.7K Uber Dash Cam, a powerful and feature-rich dual dash cam that's been generating buzz, especially among Uber, Lyft, and rideshare drivers. Whether you're protecting yourself from potential disputes or just looking to increase your overall security on the road, this camera packs a serious punch. Package unboxing and first impressions. Right out of the box, the Vantru N2X gives off a premium vibe. The packaging is clean and well organized, and inside you'll find everything you need. The dash cam itself, car charger with USB-C cable, suction mount, user manual, and some extras like a crowbar tool and spare 3M pads for mounting. The build quality is excellent. It's compact yet solid, with a matte black finish that blends seamlessly into most car interiors. The buttons are tactile, and the 2.45-inch IPS LCD screen is crisp and easy to navigate. Movie camera setup and features. One of the standout features of the Vantru N2X is its dual lens recording. The front camera records at 2.7K, 2560x1440p, at 30 frames per second, while the interior-facing camera captures 1080p Full HD. Both use Sony Starvis sensors, meaning you're getting high sensitivity even in low-light conditions. Perfect for night driving. Installation is straightforward. The suction cup mount is sturdy and adjustable, allowing for an optimal view angle. The interior cam is integrated into the main body and can be tilted to best capture cabin footage. With 5 GHz Wi-Fi, pairing the dash cam with your phone using the Vantru app is smooth and quick, allowing for easy live view, playback, and downloads directly to your mobile device. Crescent moon day and night footage samples. In the video, we include both day and night sample footage, and the results speak for themselves. Daytime footage, front cam, the clarity is fantastic, with license plates easily readable even at moderate distances. The wide dynamic range handles high contrast scenes well. Interior cam, with its 165 degrees wide-angle lens, it captures the entire cabin. This is crucial for rideshare drivers who want a full view of passengers for security purposes. Night footage. Thanks to infrared night vision on the interior camera and excellent low-light performance on the front, night recordings are sharp and well-lit. Even in pitch-black conditions, the IR lights illuminate the cabin without being distracting. Satellite antenna connectivity and controls. One major upgrade with the N2X over previous models is 5 GHz Wi-Fi. The faster bandwidth really makes a difference when transferring videos or adjusting settings through the app. No lag and no frustration. The Vantru mobile app is user-friendly, allowing you to view, save, and download footage or tweak settings such as resolution, loop recording, or audio recording with ease. The physical interface on the camera itself is intuitive. The menu is cleanly laid out and responsive, and the voice prompt feature adds a nice touch by audibly confirming start/stop of recordings or events like card formatting. Hammer and wrench additional features. Loop recording and G-sensor. Automatically overwrites old files and locks important ones when a collision is detected. Optional GPS mount. Sold separately records driving speed and route, adding another layer of detail. 24/7 parking mode, with hardwiring kit monitors your car when parked, using motion detection or impact sensing. Capacitor power supply. A big bonus for users in hot climates. It's more heat-resistant and durable compared to lithium batteries. White heavy checkmark pros. Crisp and clear front plus cabin footage at all times of day. Excellent low-light and IR night vision. Dual Sony Starvis sensors deliver reliable image quality. Easy app connectivity via fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Sleek design with discreet installation. Great for rideshare safety and accountability. Warning cons. GPS mount not included by default. It's a separate purchase. No cloud storage option. Relies entirely on microSD cards, up to 512 gigabytes. Audio prompts can be a bit loud, though you can adjust or mute them. Initial app setup may require some patience if you're not tech-savvy. Checkered flag final verdict. Overall, the Vantru N2X is a top-tier dash cam, especially for those who need cabin footage in addition to road recording. Its robust build quality, impressive video clarity, and useful feature set make it ideal not just for Uber/Lyft drivers, but also for parents, delivery drivers, and anyone who wants peace of mind behind the wheel. Whether you're using it daily for rideshare purposes or just want to be protected in case of an accident or incident, the N2X provides that extra layer of security with minimal hassle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and driving accessories. Let me know in the comments if you're considering this dash cam or if you have another model in mind.